How to add silences in audio with Audacity. To begin, I imported an audio.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Mia. She had a unique.
Click on where you want to add silences. Then right-click and select Split Clip. Now move the second part of the clip a little forward. Here I want to generate half a second of silence, so I move the second part of audio about half of a second forward. Now select both clips, right-click, and select Join Clips.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Mia. She had a unique perspective.
Now let's undo the changes and use an easier way. Move the playhead to where you want to add silences. Now from Generate menu, click on Silence. Set the duration to half a second and click on Generate button.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Mia. She had a unique perspective on the world.
Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.